Hello, my friends. Good morning. Hope you are doing well. And we are back with our data analytics sessions. So now we are starting our sessions on Python. So we'll try to explain you and give you your good understanding about how you can work with Python. And I have also installed the Anaconda Navigator. So I will today give you a short demo how to install this Anaconda Navigator in your system, and slowly we'll start to understand the Python basics. First, we'll understand the fundamentals of Python, and then slowly we'll try to understand its different libraries that are used in Python. That is Panda, NumPy, Matplot, and Seaborn. So guys, stay tuned to me with my channel, and please subscribe my channel and ask your friends also to subscribe the channel because it is very interesting and very much technical sessions. You will have, good amount of knowledge and lot of things to learn. So guys, quickly what you can do is that you can quickly open in Google Anaconda distributor and click on the link, and you will get some link like this, and you try to download it quickly. You would get something like that. Get started with the Anaconda distribution. You just need to do get started. And once you do get started, you will be asked to sign in with your email. Just sign in with your Gmail account, and you will be able to download the Anaconda for your Windows 11. If you have Mac, then download for Mac. And once you download, it's a very simple download. So once you complete your download, you will be, able to open it in your computer, and you will have a GUI window. This is called Anaconda Navigator. And if you see here, this is a package which has, lots of features and lots of applications in it, very similar to a Play Store. If you see, it has lots of things to learn. You can just scroll down and see what features it contains. Lots of learning documentations are there. Anaconda documentation, Navigator, lot of documentation and training materials are there. So this is a very good place, to learn as well. And this is completely GUI, and this will come run in your remote system in your local host. So nothing to worry. Just chill down, guys, and stay tuned to my channel, and please don't forget to ask your friends to subscribe the channel because this is going to be very interesting. In past, we have covered a lot of sessions in data science and analytics. We have explained you how you can use the concepts of analytics and data science. We also talked about Excel, advanced Excel, Power BI, and we talked about Tableau also somewhere. And SQL we completed, and we also completed Google Sheets, and now we are going to give you some overview on Python. So for Python, we need to install this Anaconda Navigator, and this is a very awesome tool, my friends. So please do install this, and once your installation is completed, you will have a Jupyter Notebook here. So you try to launch this Jupyter Notebook, and you have to, once you launch it, you select your browser, the favorite browser, and once you do it, it will open a Jupyter Notebook for you. And in my next session, I will explain you how the Jupyter Notebook works. So this is the installation process. And friends, quickly install it, and let's go for a deep dive into this data science world and try to understand, how things work, how insights works, and how we do analysis, man. And this is a very interesting tool. If you know Python, you can, do most of the analysis very easily. And that's all, my friends. So just relax, stay cool, and subscribe my channel, and ask your friends also to subscribe to your my channel and help each other's guys. Let's everybody grow. And thank you very much for watching these sessions. Take care. Have a great day ahead. Thank you, friends.